Hi students, in this video we see how to measure long distance and large distance. Where we are having a situation of long distance measurement. First, if you want to measure the height of the tower, right? So there we have to measure a large distance, right? Suppose I want to measure height of a tree, right? So I want to measure the distance between Earth and Moon, right? So these are all long distance, right? So if you want to measure the distance that is so long, we have to use different types of measurement, right? For small distance, we know how to use a screw gauge and vernier caliper. For large distance also, we are having some more methods. What are those methods? Method one is triangulation method. Triangulation method. This is one of the method to measure large distance. Second one is parallax method. Parallax. Parallax method. And the third one is radar method. So these are all the three methods which are used to measure large distance. In this video, we see triangulation method, right? So triangulation method of measuring large distance, right? Okay, fine. Suppose I want to measure the height of the building. Let us see. That is some multi-story building. Let us assume that this is a building. All right. So I want to measure this height. Let us assume this is building top of the building A, bottom of the building is B, right? And height of the building is H, right? So I am going to use triangulation method to find the height of the building, right? So let us assume that we are looking from here, right? And C is a point from which we are observing the building. So let us assume the distance between this observation point and base of the building is x, right? So this distance we can take as, and we are keeping some range finder to find the angle. Let us assume that the angle to the top of the building is theta, right? It is forming a triangle, right? That's why this method is known as triangulation method. So height of the building is h, AB is a building, C is a observation point from which we are observing the building, right? So and we measure this, and the angle of triangle ACB is theta. See, triangle ACB, what is the angle of C? Theta, right? Now it is a right angle triangle, right? So for right angle triangle, I know that what is my tan theta? The tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. What is my opposite side? Opposite side is h. Adjacent side is x, right? Because c is the distance of x from the b. So x. What I want is h, height of the building. This implies h is equal to x tan theta, right? So we know what is my x, because that is the observation point that I am going to fix theta's angle. That also I know. By knowing x and theta, I can find what is the height of the building, right? So this is the simplest way. This method is known as triangulation method because it is using the concept of trigonometry and right angle triangle, right? So that's all about this session. If you are having any doubt about this, please ask me in comment section. Thank you.